Hey everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop, step by step. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, let's check if the Magic Wand tool is already available. Go to your toolbar and locate the Object Selection tool. Now, click and hold on the Object Selection tool icon. You should see a menu pop up, and in that menu, you'll find the Magic Wand tool. If it's there, just click on it and you're good to go. Step 2. If you don't see the Magic Wand tool under the Object Selection tool, don't worry, there's another way to bring it back. Go up to the Edit menu at the top, then select Toolbar. In the Toolbar menu, click on Restore Defaults. This will reset your toolbar to its original setup, which will include the Magic Wand tool. Once you've done this, check the toolbar again, and the Magic Wand tool should now be there. And that's it. You've now restored or located the Magic Wand tool in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next